Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your science teacher and I welcome you all to another exciting year. As you all have entered grade 5, you shall be experiencing many interesting things in science. Now beginning with our class, I want you all to turn to page 2 of your science books, New Oxford Primary Science, Unit number 1, the brain and the nerves. Now in today's lecture, we will be studying the nervous system in great detail. After that, we'll be coming towards the brain. And then I'll be giving you a little introduction to the nerve cells and the neurons. Now moving towards our very first topic, that is the nervous system. Over here, I have defined what actually the nervous system is. Well, it is a complex network of nerves and cells that carry messages to and from the brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body. Now moving towards the parts that the nervous system actually comprises of. Well, there are basically three basic parts of the nervous system, which are the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves or the neurons. Well, the nervous system actually controls everything that we do. For example, thinking, walking, talking, and breathing. These all essential things are actually controlled by the nervous system. Now, have you ever thought that when I asked you to turn to unit number 1 on page 2 of your science book, how were you able to do that? Moreover, have you ever thought how you can see things around you? How you're able to tell the difference between a chocolate bar and a French fries? It all happens because of your brain. The brain, along with all the other parts of your nervous system, detects the world around you and gives you a true picture of whatever is happening. The brain is one of the most complex and largest organs of the human body. It looks like a large pinkish grey walnut and is all so very soft and spongy and very fragile. It has many folds. The human brain is basically the control center of the body. It controls all our activities. Now the brain is actually situated in the head and is protected by the skull. From inside, for proper functioning of the brain needs continuous supply of oxygen, good amount of food, and sleep. The fun fact over here is the average human brain weighs 1200 to 1400 grams. Now from inside, the brain is made up of almost 100 billion nerve cells or neurons. Now the question arises that what are neurons? Well, neurons are nerve cells. They help in transmitting information to the brain. Neurons are basically like a postman as they carry messages around your body. Now all these neurons or nerve cells are linked together to control all of the body activities. As we end our session here, I want you all to kindly solve the worksheet attached with this video. If you have any questions related, feel free to ask. Thank you so very much for listening. Take care and Allah Hafiz.